Hi guys, good morning. Wish you all a very happy and a cheerful Sunday. I have come to Lalbagh. It's been a long time I did not come. I used to come here regularly earlier, but today somehow when I got up in the morning, I felt an urge to connect with nature. I was getting late, but then also I thought 15-20 minutes is good enough, and I did some meditation here and thought of connecting with you all. Just look around how beautiful this is. Full of greenery. You can hear the birds chirping. So it's a Sunday today, so many families have come with their kids. They are all playing here. It's always so beautiful to come back to nature, enjoy the beauty. Everything is so pure and divine. Just need to feel the presence Mother Earth here. So while I was coming, I had a thought which I thought of sharing with you all. So whenever I am on the move, whenever I am walking, whenever I am like all by myself, I would want to spend the time listening to some podcast. I have some downloaded or some YouTube videos. But today, this Lalbagh is around 1.3 kilometers from my home. So I thought I will listen to a podcast, and then something went inside me, and I just thought that no, I don't want to listen to podcast. And then when I was in college, I used to listen to a lot of Bollywood music, 90s music a lot, and I have me and my sister both we used to sing a lot. Like, we were bad singers, but we would love singing all the songs, memorizing the lyrics and all that. So that was pretty much kind of fun we would get singing the songs. And as life takes you over and you forget everything, but then the child is always willing to come back to life, even in times of your life when you are busy doing the things to make your life, to be a good mother, to work for a home and do everything that you can possibly do. So I just felt, why not listen to some Bollywood songs today? And all the while coming from home to Lalbagh, I kept on listening to the songs which I used to listen during my college and school days. And I really felt beautiful. I don't know why, but I can understand one thing is that the child in you still wants that same feeling, just letting yourself loose, not getting judgmental about what you are doing. It might not make any sense. Not everything in life is supposed to make sense all the time. So I just had fun. I got emotional. I went back to my past and remembered so many things, but now there is no judgment there, and I just had fun. So the message is, take time in a day out, do things which you always used to do without attaching any kind of productivity to it, because your mind feels good, you feel a sense of childishness in doing those things, but it is okay. So remember from your childhood what is one thing which you used to do and had so much fun doing, which you are not doing anymore. So take time out, maybe in a day or in a week, to indulge in those activities which can make you feel good without thinking whether you are productive about it or not. There is so much you do in a day to enhance your productivity, to increase your power, your strength, your resilience, your endurance, your mental prowess, everything you do. But there are times when you need to do unproductive stuff also, things which make you feel good about yourself, things which take you to your childhood days, things you used to do just as a play. So the play is the word. Doing things just to get a sense of play in your life is very important. And if you really look and understand it, you will see how your productivity also enhances with that. You can become a better person, you can become more creative doing all those things. So the Sunday message from me to you all is, invest time in doing things which you used to do when you were a child and get into play mode. Bye.